let's practice combining a couple of our new sounds. So if you remember this sound, can you tell me what this sound was? Very good. Like an igloo. And we have this sound. Do you remember what this is? F, f. Like in fan. F. Now what if we combine f? What do we have? If. So if is a word, and it's also part of a word family. So let's make some words with if. And let's use the sounds l, w, and let's make some words with those sounds, okay? So let's try the l, if, l, if, lift. Very good. How about w, if, whiff. Very good. And we'll try if, hif. Very good. And these are all pretend words. They're syllables in a real word. So let's say them together. You ready? Lift, whiff, and hif. Very good. Now let's try it-oh. Let's put that together. It-oh. And we have ill. And notice how these are similar, but the I has the little dot at the top. L is taller. I-oh, ill. And let's use m, s, t, p to make some words. Okay, you ready? Let's bring down our m. I'll put I, oh, and we have mill. Very good. Now let's try our s. Let's take our s and move it down here. And what do we have? Sill. Very good. Now let's move it back up and take our t. And now we have till. Very good. Now let's take our p, bring it down, and we have pill. Very good. Okay, let's try another word family. Let's try if. And let's make some words with if. So we will move it over here, and let's take our first sound, m, and we have if, myth. Very good. Now we'll put our m back, and let's take our s. Now we have if, sif. Very good. Sif. Now let's try our next sound, our t. Now we have if, tiff. Very good. And we have one more sound to try. How about our p? We have if, piff. Very good. So we have miff, sif, tiff, and piff. We can make with this if word family. Excellent job. Okay, let's make some words with some of the sounds we learned so far. So we have f, a, t, m, l, p, w, h. And let's do our first word. Our first word is fat. Fat. Very good. Now let's change. Take this and add our m. Now what do we have? Can you read that? Fam. Very good. Now what if we take away our m and instead bring down our p? What do we have? Fap. Fap. Very good. Now what if we take away our first sound and bring down our l? Now what do we have? L-ap. Lap. Very good. And now what if we take away our last sound p and instead bring down our m? Now what do we have? Lamb. Lamb. Very good. Now what if we, let's see, let's take away our l and bring down our h. Now what do we have? Ham. Ham. Very good. And now what if we take away our h and bring down our w? And we have w, am, wham. Very good. And now let's try one more. Take away our w and bring down our t. And now we have t, am, tam. Very good. Good reading. Let's take our m and bring down our p. Now what do we have? T-ap, tap. Excellent job. And if we take away our t and bring down our h. And now we have ap, hap, hap. Very good. Okay, now let's practice with some new sounds and make some more words. So we have I, t, m, p, f, w, s, l. So for our first sound, let's bring down our I and our t. And we have it, it. Okay, let's move our it over and let's make some words with it. How about we'll bring down our m. Now we have m, it, mit. Very good. Let's move away that and try our p. And now we have p, it, pit. Very good. Let's move away our p and take our and now we have it, hit. Very good. Let's take away our and try our f. Now we have it, fit. Very good. And now let's try our w sound. And we have w, it, wit. Very good. And let's take away our w and try our s. And now we have s, it, sit. Very good. And we have one more. If we bring this back up and take down our l. And now we have l, it, lit. Very good. Now, what if we change our word family? So we're going to change our ending and make a new word family. So let's try, let's take away the t and bring down our p. Now we have lip, lip. Very good. Now let's change some of our first sounds. We'll take away our l and add. Now we have hip, hip. Very good. Let's take away our and add ip, mip. Very good. Now we'll bring down up our and take our f. And now we have ip, fip. Very good. Take away our f and add w. And we have whip, whip. Good job. Now let's take away our w and bring down our s. And we have sip, sip. Very good. Now we have one more. Let's take away our s and bring down our t. And we have tip, tip. Okay, very good. Now let's change our word family again. Let's take away our p and add m. So now we have Tim, Tim. And we could make this capital T if this were going to be a person's name, Tim. We would make that capital T. Very good, but M is our word family, so let's make some more words with M. So let's take away our T and bring down our H. And now we have him. Very good. Now let's take away our H and bring down our F. And we have fim. Very good. Now let's take away our f and add p. And now we have pim. Very good. Good job.